Hi everyone and welcome to Reclaim Threads. This is Melody and today we're going to demonstrate how to do a beadable pen. So these are sold on Amazon, for example. You can find them at, various other places, Walmart, craft stores. I'm not sure that Michael's has them, but the other big name carriers definitely have these beadable pens. They do come in different colors. They come in different styles. This particular style unscrews from the top. These are great gifts, by the way. Or if you have a shop and you like to sell these, they're very eye-catching. You can put whatever color beads that you want on there and really glam it up. So they are called glam pens in some places. But when you search for the products, it's a beadable pen. And there's ink in here already. You can buy refills for these particular products and then refill it as well. But when you purchase this, for example, if you find this particular brand, it already has the ink inside and all you have to do is the decoration part, which is the most fun part. So for this, I did pick 3 sizes. Now, if your beads are smaller, of course, you're going to need more beads, and if your beads are bigger, you're going to need less beads. So we'll just go ahead and slide on the beads here and see how they fit in. I do have a little spacer that I'm going to slide on here next, and then this one has a lot of stones on it. We'll try another spacer. I'm pretty sure this will all fit together, and then a smaller bead. And then we'll go ahead and you can see that there are the screw marks in here so that you can screw in the part right into the pen like that, and then you tighten it up. Okay, so you can see that this is pretty firm. These beads are not loose. This did screw down tight, and so if you are selling these or you're giving it as a present, it is a quality product, that definitely will hold up. It's not something that's going to fall apart. When you shake it, it doesn't come apart. It's screwed in there pretty good. Plus, it does write. I suppose I could demonstrate that part. And let me look for a piece of paper here. There we go. Has a very nice ink to it, and it looks like it might be a fine to a medium point. It is easy to hold. Definitely on the glamorous side, I would say, and this would absolutely make a wonderful gift for someone. When you buy these, they usually are, if you're buying them, let's say you want to make a bunch, they usually come in a pack of 12 or 20, and they're in different colors, or sometimes you have the opportunity to just have one color, silver, for example, or you might choose a gold base. This particular batch that I ordered was multicolored with many different foil type colors. And again, great gift. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.